Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the app and OS are current because outdated builds often break exports. Once done, free 1-2 GB of storage and close background apps so the exporter has room. Make sure media is compatible. Convert any odd codecs to MP4H, 264, and reduce resolution or bitrate for extremely large clips. By handling those prerequisites now, you avoid common failure points and set a clean foundation for the export process. You now tune the export itself. Open export settings and choose a stable resolution like 1080p and a supported frame rate such as 24 or 30. Then lower bitrate or switch to medium quality so the encoder won't time out. If your timeline has many blends, masks, or vector effects, disable or bake them, or split the project into shorter segments and export piece by piece. These steps reduce processing complexity and increase the chance of a successful MP4 render. You perform the export to local device storage, tap export, and watch for progress. Don't switch apps or interrupt the device. If it fails, immediately check for an error message or log, then restart the app and device before trying a small test clip to isolate the issue. If problems persist, reinstall Alight Motion or export lower segments and stitch them with a desktop converter. That one troubleshooting tip, test a short clip, quickly tells you if the issue is project-specific or systemic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.